farrier. Tonight we've been making these knives. We have a few kids here. We got Charlie Smith over there and his brother Michael. Porter Reed, he's the trench king.
Yeah.
Jack Guthrie, Thor Webster, Emmon Crandall, Aaron Crandall, they're brothers. And William Dunn, and me, and this is Kendall Webster. He's my helper. So we did this little activity night for our church activity. So everyone made a knife. Turned out really good. So I'd like to thank Jake for helping me out with the video. And remember to like and subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you.
Thor, what are your thoughts?
My thoughts?
Yeah.
I'm going to make the best knife you've ever seen.
There you go. That's awesome. How's it going over here?
Good.
Pretty good? Awesome. It's looking good. Snazzy. How's it going over here?
Pretty good.
Pretty good. You got any words of inspiration for us?
I have a question.
What's that?
Why are the flames shooting out of that orange turning green?
I have no idea.
Probably because there's a little bit of copper in
You got anything to say?
Well, so this is, tonight we're making knives. This is what we call my preschool church. This is Emmon, this is Aaron Crandall, my brother. This is Thor over here, this is their website.
Or
So we got these three on this station making knives.
Oh, yeah, my Burger King.
And then we'll go over here to these other three. So this is Jack right here. This is Jack Guthrie. He's making a knife.
Amazing.
And this is Kendall Webster. This is William Dunn right here. This is actually William's forge. Rod. It's kind of a little forge. And this is Kendall's anvil. This is a hay button anvil, an old anvil. Made in the 1800s. Then over here we have Michael Smith right here working on his knife. That's his brother Charlie standing over there. They're at this station. So we've got actually seven boys making knives right now. It's pretty good activity.
that is.
So after we get some of them made, we'll go back on and show you the finished product.
Got one question. Where do you buy all these anvils and forges?
Hey, look, make sure I got the right anvil.
Okay.
So this is made by Emerson Anvils, made in Louisiana.
Louisiana.
Yeah, it's 150-pound anvils. I used to do a lot of competing horses, and this is ideal for that. It's a great anvil for that. When I did my certification,
Emerson anvil.
yeah, Emerson.
Nice.
Right, this is a out pretty quick in the state road.
Nice.
I can't remember where it's made at. I've had this forge for 20 years and this animal for about 17.
Okay.
This animal over here, this animal is a Manco animal. It's made in Michigan. I use this animal every day. It's attached to my truck, as you can see. And this forge is made by NC Tools in North Carolina.
Nice.
And that's a great forge for everyday work. I use that forge every day. So I just bought that forge. I guess it's actually 4 years old. I paid about $600 then. I don't know what they cost now for the forge. It's called a Whisper Mama.
Where do you buy all these horseshoes and stuff at?
So I buy them from a couple different places. I buy a lot of stuff from them and then from Kate.
You're messing it up.
In Camp Verde, Arizona.
No, you're not. You just.
I buy a lot of stuff from them too. But Stock Ops especially has about 18 of them. And as far as blacksmithing stuff, Kate Tool has a lot of blacksmithing stuff. I've gone over there and gone to classes on blacksmithing for a piece. So
They got what you need.
they got what I need.
Awesome.
Nowadays, I don't compete at all. I quit doing that in about 2008.
Oh, that's okay.
I became a certified journeyman farrier in 2006. So my kids got old, I started just going to their activities after that.
You are.
You're the real deal, huh?
I guess so.
Yes, sir.
Okay, we're on the very tip.
Looking pretty good. Getting that bevel edge on there, that's good.
Dang, that's looking good. That masterpiece. Some amazing boys right here.